Kung Bao from VGT. You're watching Red Screen Ninjas.
Be sure to like our videos and subscribe so that we can make more videos like this. Welcome to another edition of Red Screen Ninja. This is us in Tulsa, Oklahoma at the Oklahoma Indian Gaming Association, where vendors and slot vendors and all type of different businesses showcase some of their newest products, slot machines, and so forth to casinos. And we're here to check out some of the new games and new slot machine release from VGT. But of course, there's other vendors such as IGT, Konami, and a whole bunch of different vendors here showcasing their games as well. And hopefully we'll be able to show you some of those games. But moving on, this is the Hunt of Neptune Gold. This is a new cabinet that I personally have never seen before. It's a new upright digital flat screen unit compared to the old cabinet that you've seen in your local casinos, and these will be rolling out pretty soon. More visual, more space, but hope you guys enjoyed this footage where we play nothing but this game here, and we'll have more footage to come with new game features to show you guys as well. So in the meantime, tell us what you guys think of this new slot machine, and if you have not already seen it, and tell us if you like it a lot more better than the traditional one that you always been playing. And let us know. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.
Shut up a on-screen jackpot.
Right.
You won $100,000. Look at that.
How much was the win?
Like $50? Oh, $137. That's it.
Ladies and gentlemen, make sure to stop by Home Depot Pro 931. Drop off a business card. You still have a chance to win a rigid drill and driver set or one of two Nest Pro thermostats. Again, a rigid drill and driver set or one of two
The graphics are
Nest
nice.
Pro home thermostats.
But that doesn't do nothing up there.
Yeah.
Everything is right here.
I think Ruby got a boob job too. Sharks that come out. That hasn't come out at all.
Wow, this machine is tight.
Yeah, it's very tight. Come on, with a $10,000 bank, give me something good.
That means tight because they don't want to have to like mess with the jackpot.
True.
I don't know.
That'd be nice to see one pop up though. Let me go down to even 10,000, and then I'll cash out. I'm here. You're here. Red screen? Yeah. Watching more numbers. I want to get on the road.
Not big numbers. That's the deal. Even the 9-liners over there give you.
But it's only 5 cents though. You know what I mean?
I guess so.
Let me cash out.
We're cashing
I
out.
want my money. Yeah, people love the Neptune'S. Red. I'm surprised none of the sharks came out yet. Red spin.
Is that a red spin?
No.
This is the one we cashed out earlier.
Yeah. For $10,000. $1 win.
I know.
Wow. That's because you're only on 5 cents. That's why.
It's still $10 a bet.
Yeah, but had we had like the 25 cents max? Oh, we got the bonus! Yay!
Is that a bonus?
Yeah.
How come it's not saving
This is
that?
where you pick the bombs. There you go. There's some good ones. Oh,
You picked the mine.
I think you only get 3. 3? Oh wow, it's like pretty good. That's it. 17.
$1,772.
96 bucks.
Oh no.
Yeah. No rest comes yet. That's a good one. Not. This is cranked down so low. I bet the percentage is like 10%. What do you think about the graphics on this? You think it'll be a lot better than the other ones? I think so.
It is better.
Graphics.
Yeah.
Not in a red spin yet. A diamond. Wow, where's a red spin? Another diamond. One more diamond. Oh, there you go.
Finally.
I know. Like forever. It's gonna be
That's
like,
it.
oh, so crappy. $30. I haven't seen the leprechaun come down and hit this thing yet.
No, there's no leprechaun in this game.
Yes, there is. The leprechaun comes down, he hits it, he shakes the whole screen.
But this isn't that particular game though.
No, this is the hunt for Neptune's. He's part of the game. See? Leprechaun. He comes down and hits it and it
Get
shakes.
nudged.
You know what I'm talking about here, baby. Hey. This is crappy. The one breast screen I got was like not even good. I haven't seen a shark bonus yet. Wish I had a share here.
I know. We sit here all day. I'm like, are they just sitting there playing? They're playing.
Yeah.
know they're on dump. Are we good?